Hi, ladies. I want to share that I've been consistently urinating 6 days straight, and I haven't done that in about 2 months.
Yeah, that's excellent. Recovering from inflammation, or when you actually go on this protocol, what happens is your kidneys start repairing themselves.
I haven't taken insulin since I started this.
Oh, that's so awesome. So
That's
happy for you.
incredible. That's actually, so you only started like 10 days ago, right?
Right.
That's incredible. And I really can't wait to see when you're able to retest your kidney function, GFR, to see where it's at.
Yeah.
The initial goal was to get you off dialysis in 30 days, but maybe it's going to happen sooner.
No, that would be great.
Look. Can I say something about dialysis? So then from day one, when I walk out of there, when I walk out for the last time, I'm not coming back. They have an achievements board, and the achievement board says how long people been on dialysis or their amounts of treatments. Like somebody got the 25th treatment, somebody got 100th treatment. Mine's going to say no more treatments.
I love that. Your enthusiasm, it's inspiring to us. It makes us so happy.
His energy level is really increased too.
Amazing. And you never know how much your body can heal until you give it what it needs. And actually, when he's after dialysis, we can actually increase all of his healing foods to the point so that way his kidneys can repair even more rapidly.